The Russian Kalashnikov Foundation announced the successful completion of field tests for the Strela-10M anti-aircraft missile system at the Donguz test site in the Orenburg region. The foundation told Russia's Sputnik agency, the Strela-9M 333 anti-aircraft guided missile is designed to strike low-altitude aircraft and helicopters at any time of the year, even in light of the launch of visual and other distorted elements, as well as remote-guided aircraft and cruise missiles. The missile has three modes of self-guiding: light waves, infrared rays and jamming, which is the most important characteristic that distinguishes it from other missiles of this class. The Strela-9M 333 anti-aircraft guided missile allows firing on the shoot-and-go principle. The enterprise also indicated that the serial production of the product had begun for the benefit of the Russian Ministry of Defense. It is noteworthy to mention that the Strela-10M system, which was designed at the beginning of the 1970s, is out of date, and Russia and Belarus announced in 2015 that they are in the process of modernizing joint work on modernizing the system. Strela-10 systems were the most produced systems in the Soviet Union, with more than 700 pieces produced by the end of the 1980s and more than 400 of them were exported.